Alright folks, I have here a Mazda CX-5 and the customer wants some belts, as you can see. You probably can't see maybe, I got a little shadow there. Let's fix that. We got some cracks in the belt. So we're going to change both of them. There's this belt, there's that one, and then there's a stretch fit one right here. So people are like, oh no, I'm not strong enough to stretch it. Well, I'm going to show you how to remove it, and I'm going to show you how to stretch it to get it back on. All right, follow along. All right, so what we're going to need, got a 17mm wrench. You can get on it with the box end. It's just a regular old 17. We're going to put this on the tensioner release bolt. You got to put that on the tensioner release bolt. You're going to pull it counterclockwise. Pull it slow. Pull it slow because it's like a mini shock absorber, and it's not a regular old tensioner. Then you can just undo this from all the pulleys. As you can see, starting to get some cracks in there. Oh yeah, real deep black. Okay, and now let's get off this one. And this is what we do with that. Check the pulleys. Just the water pump, that's nice and easy. That one, that. And let's get the new belts. All right, so on the stretch fit belt, you could just use this, simply just use a zip tie, one of these Johns. And you can, I usually will put it through one of the holes in the pulley, and I use 2 of them. There's 1, there is 2, which is not 3 yet. There's 1. There's the second one, and we'll fit the belt. I'm using the Gates Microflex, and we'll put this up into place. And so you have to imagine the belt is going to turn like this. I'm going to use the center crank pulley bolt. So you want to zip tie it in such a way that causes it to go and come on. Actually, oh, I'm doing this wrong. This, I can't do it on that one because this is on an inner pulley. So actually what I have to do is I have to zip tie it to the water pump, not to the crank pulley. So let's take that off. We'll put it on the crank pulley first. I just realized that some of these are a little bit wonky. And then I'm going to actually zip tie this to the water pump pulley. First thing you have to do is, though, you got to put a zip tie in your mouth. That's the first thing. So this one. Okay. All right, there's this one. Just close that one down. Then in the same hole, we'll put the second one. All right, now we're going to get this thing set. You want this to be on the leading edge of the water pump, which is this side, because I'm going to rotate it clockwise. We'll zip tie it to All right, let's get a socket for this, probably a 21. And then what we'll do is we're just gonna lightly crank this around. You do have to be careful that the belt doesn't come off of the top. You hear that? That was like popping into place. Almost there. Okay. So now I did notice the belt started to come off down here. So once I get it fully in up here, which it is, I will gingerly go backwards. And then this, while putting pressure on this, I'll go back. And I don't want to go backwards too far. I just wanted enough. I just wanted enough to be able to get that one rib back in place. But now the belt's on, I cut these off. And don't be in the jungle. Throw your trash away. Now that the whole thing is in, let's rotate the engine over. Make sure nothing got hurt or pinched. Which this looks fine. Yep, it's in all the grooves. I'll go around maybe once or twice. Okay, looks fine to me. Now we're gonna fit the serpentine belt in. This is pretty straightforward. It goes over here, under the tensioner, up to the alternator, down to the AC compressor. Easy. I'm gonna get a ladder. You guys see me moving the belt? All right, cool. So now, kind of get this in place. Make sure all the other ones are kind of lined up. Got my 17 millimeter right here in my back pocket. Now we're going to be doing the two-handed shuffle because I have to hold the belt. I got that on there. Now let's rotate this around. All right, well, that's going to be a little bit of a drag because I have to come from the top here. All right, let's go. Oh, yeah. I got to do it this way. Oh, you guys are making me breathe heavy. You guys are making me breathe hard. See? All right, it's on the, ow, it's on the alternator. I hit my head. Wrench. It was in my back pocket. I had to reach around. Okay. Now pull this real slowly. Oh, I might need another reach. I was slipping. All right. Well, that didn't work. What's the problem here? Oh boy, this is hard when it oh, there we go. Let's try that. Something ain't right with this belt. Ah, poop. It fell off up top. I'm sweating. All right, well, that was a fail. Let's try something different. Please don't let this be the wrong belt. Sure what's happening here. All I know is that it's beating me up. The struggle's real, folks. This ain't fitting. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. All right, so I'm gonna pivot. I'm gonna have somebody put it on the alternator while I'm doing this. I got a helper. I need you to climb up on this ladder.
Okay.
And I'm gonna untension the belt. You gotta slip it on the alternator. Okay. So right now it's on the alternator. I need you to pull that off so I can put it around the... But kind of grab a hold of it, you know?
Yeah.
Are you off?
Yeah.
You're off the alternator?
Yeah.
Still got a hold of it?
Yeah.
All right. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Ah. All right, here it goes. All right, that's maxed out. Huh?
I thought it was almost gone.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. All right, folks. Here's a lesson. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. So ultimately, folks, you saw me struggle. I had to get up in there with a hose tool and go and pry the belt over this smooth pulley. It's not easy, but I got it done. All right, so all I have left to do is I got to put this cover back on here. What's tricky about this is you actually have to pull this back after you get it kind of set. This goes underneath, tucks up underneath. So I'll put these clips in here just to kind of hold it in place. Boom! This one. Okay. I think these are all the same. Yeah, they're all the same clips. There's one under here. Okay, and then there's one right here. And then last one. Don't leave these out, guys. There's a whole reason for these things. I don't like them either, but try not to break them. I got that back in place. Now I gotta put the wheel on, and then we're gonna take it for a rip. So I hope you guys enjoyed the struggle. I know you guys struggle. I struggle. It's just that you gotta persevere. All right, guys, thanks for watching.